Let's move on to the relative system in Cartesian coordinate system. As it is Cartesian coordinate system, you represent the location using two distances, x and y. But in this case, the distances are not from the fixed line. Instead, the location is relative to the previous point. For point number P1, you're going to use the absolute system because this is the starting point. So the horizontal distance here is 2 and the vertical distance here is 1. So for point P1, the location is with respect to the origin. If you move on to P2, you have to define the location of P2 with respect to the location of P1. The absolute location of P2 is 2, 4 and the absolute location of P1 is 2, 1. If you want to find the relative location, to find the value of x, you can write x2 minus x1. This will give you delta x. So in this case, between point number P1 and point number P2, there is no horizontal displacement. So delta x is equal to this 2 minus this 2. So 2 minus 2 will give you 0. In the y direction, if you move from P1 to P2, you can see that you're moving 1, 2 and 3 units. So for delta y, it's y2 minus y1. y2 in this case is 4 and here y is 1. So the distance traveled in the y direction from P1 to P2 is 3 units. So to move from P1 to P2, you have to move 0 units in the x direction and you have to move 3 units in the y direction. So you can say that the relative position of P2 from P1 is 0, 3. That is delta x and delta y. Now let's move from point number P2 to point number P3. To move from P2 to P3, you have to move 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 units in the horizontal direction. So you can see here you have 7 and here you have got 2. So delta x is 7 minus 2 equals to 5. And in the y direction you have to move 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 units in the downward direction. The downward direction is negative direction. Because we are following Cartesian coordinate system, upward position is positive y, downward is negative y, right side is positive and left side is negative. So you're moving 3 units downward. So delta y is equal to, here you have the value 1 minus, here you have got the value 4. Delta y is equal to minus 3. So you can say that the relative position of point number P3 is 5 and minus 3. That is delta x and delta y. If you move from point number P3 to P1 back, because you have to enclose this triangle, so you're moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units in the negative direction, towards the left. So delta x is equal to 2 minus 7. This will give you minus 5. And you're not moving in y direction if you go from P3 to P1. So for delta y, here you have value 1 and here you have got value 1. So 0. So the relative position of P1 from P3 will be minus 5 and 0. The absolute position of P1 is 2, 1, that is from the origin. And the relative position of P1 from P3 is minus 5 and 0. So these are the absolute values and these are the relative values.